Every morning is a new chance to do something good.
Yes, we should make today a wonderful day.
Let's get ready.
Okay, let's go.
Helping each other makes our home happier.
I like helping our family.
Me too. This is fun. You're both doing wonderfully.
Oh, who are you? I have never seen you before. My name is Milo. I live nearby. This is my little house. I keep it clean and safe.
You are a very nice little friend. Thank you. Kindness creates friendship.
A good friend can come in any size.
Milo can be part of our family.
There are many beautiful places here.
Your home is full of happiness.
I'm glad you think so, Milo.
A clean room makes our day better. Small jobs create big changes. I may be small, but I can help too. There we go.
Teamwork makes everything easier.
I am happy to help my friends. Friends help each other in every situation. We are happy that you are our friend. Yeah, always. Best friends forever. Forever and ever. Plants need care just like friendships. Love makes everything grow. Every family member can help. Even Milo helps us. That's right, sweetie. Breakfast is ready. I will learn new things today, and we will help our friends. A clean home keeps everyone happy.
Helping each other makes a strong family.
Kindness is the best habit.
I want to be useful to my friends. You already make us happy. Really, you mean it? Of course, we love having you around.
Being ready saves time.
Good routines make life easier. I want my home to be beautiful too. Time to clean up these cobwebs. Ah, much better.
Happiness comes from simple moments.
I love our little family.
And we love you, Lily.
These are the best moments.
Where did the spoon go?
I will help you find it. There it is.
You found it! Thank you, Milo.
You're welcome.
Teamwork will solve this problem.
Let's search together.
Good idea. Let's check the table.
I'm right behind you. I found it. Thank you, little friend. Here you go. You're so helpful.
Small help can make a big difference.
I am glad I helped. We're so grateful, Milo. Thank you, Milo. True friends always care. Friendship makes life brighter. Today, I learned the value of kindness.
Milo made our days more fun.
Good friends bring joy.
I am lucky to have good friends.
Breakfast is ready, everyone.
Every day is a chance to be kind.
I will, Dad. Me too. Let's be kind. That's the spirit, my loves. Our friendship is special.
It is.
We're a great team.
We love having you with us.
You're the best, little buddy. I love you all!
Moral of the story: every person and every culture has value in the world. Sometimes we think someone and small are not important, but we never know how special they can be. Lady and Adam found a little mouse named Milo at first day. First they were surprised because Milo was different, but they did not scare him. They showed kindness and became his friend. Milo was a small mouse, but he had a big heart. He always tried to help the family. He helped them with small things and brought happiness to their home. This story teaches us that friend is not about size, look, or power. A true friend is someone who cares, helps, and stay with you. We should respect everyone when even the smallest culture, a small act of kindness can create a beautiful friendship. Family, love, and teamwork make our lives better. When we help each other, every problem becomes easier. Never think that you are too small to make a difference. Even a tiny mouse like Milo can bring a big smile and change many hearts. Kindness makes friend and a good heart makes you special. Thanks.